After 200 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
When we were near to the test center, there were some parked cars on the left, so you moved out, which is good. You checked your mirrors, a blind spot, everything was good. So as you were going through, because we were driving on oncoming traffic, lane B, and once those parked cars were finished, you're supposed to go back into your lane, isn't it?
Yeah.
Before you go is a good idea, because you're changing your direction, to check your center and left mirror first, and then move across. Any idea why is that?
So then people know where you're going, and you can see like if they're...
Well, they wouldn't know, obviously, because you're not signaling, we're changing our direction. How would checking your mirrors before you changing direction would benefit you a lot in terms of safety reasons? What do you think?
So they don't pull out and collision as well?
No. So let me help you out. So for example, let's say this white car is parked in the middle of the road there.
Yeah.
Sticking out a little bit. So once you pass this car, you're going to come back to the left as well, isn't it? Because when you're driving, you drive near to the left curb, don't you? If you're safe to do so. So you can have a change of direction. When you're approaching, and if there's a traffic there, so as you're approaching, you're going to go around this parked car.
Yeah.
Before you're going to go around, what safety check would you normally do?
Oh, should I have signaled?
No, we don't need to signal because this is called change of direction. So when you're going around, what do you normally do?
Check my mirrors, slow down.
Check your mirrors and slow down. Which mirrors? Center and the right, because we're going right. How would that checking your mirrors benefit you?
Because then you're more aware of, like, say like the car's coming. If I was going to come, there's a car there. So I'd wait till
So would there only be a car, or can you think of any other potential risk?
Lorries,
road users,
vans, pedestrians.
Anything else you can think of? Who are very, very, very risky road users?
Cyclists.
Or?
Like motorcyclists.
That's the one. Because what if they're sneaking in, overtaking you?
Yeah.
So once you have done this, now you're going back. Do what? Check your mirrors again. Center in the left one.
Yeah.
In case of somebody is undertaking you, and then go. That's a good idea, really. So it says very clearly on your test sheet as well that use your mirrors before changing of direction. That's number one.